after talking to a lot of people na nagpa-participate dito sa I Care We Care program, it looks like that the I Care We Care program is a troll farm of the House of Representatives. Congressman Lordan Suwan, what do you think about this? Isn't this deceptive way of shaping the opinion of the people? What is this? Task number 255. Open. Nakakatawa kasi natatakot sila baka pagkakumalat, ganyan-ganyan. They were given script. Bibigyan sila ng link. Pagkatapos, ganito ang i-comment ninyo ha. I think because whatever that they are doing is under the pain of being spread out. Kakalat at kakalat to eh. Ang ginawa nila example dito, Davao City.
Naku, tigil-tigilan niyo ako.
Uunahan ko na kayo. I am going to show this because I think they have also thought about na kapag kumalat to kasi maganda ang example Davao City. But this is the instruction. Doon sa I Care We Care kinembot nila. Bibigyan ng link, pagkabigay ng link, mark as done, posibleng positive narrative na pwedeng gamitin sa comment mo. Napakalaking tulong nito sa mga pamilyang Pilipino. Salamat sa administrasyon ni PBBM. And like I said, this is a web-based app, hrepcare.com. I would just like to ask Congressman Lordan Suwan, is this activity of the House of Representatives is a trolling activity that tries to manipulate the opinion of the people on certain government initiatives? And I also would like to ask, why did the House of Representatives mark the manual, yung handbook ninyo, ng CARE program as confidential? Akala ko magalit kayo sa confidential funds kasi secret yun. And wala kayong confidential fund. Why are you doing this in secret? Bakit naka-secret yung manual ninyo? Ito yung CARE program, Congressional Assistance Response and Education. Okay? So ito, matalinhaga tong CARE program sa House of Representatives. Nag-start to 19th Congress. When they started calling us doon sa TRICOM, February 4 was the first hearing. Naririnig-rinig ko na to na meron nga daw I Care We Care, ganyan-ganyan. May CARE program. So ngayon, meron akong nakausap na na-recruit dito sa CARE program na to. Nurse siya. So, una, meron siyang impression na, magkakaroon ng mga medical mission, pagkatapos, since nurse naman siya, tapos led by the House of Representatives, why not? Hindi, okay naman yun, tas trabaho naman. Sa akin, wala rin problema yun, Ngayon, itong si kawawang nurse, lumuwas ng Maynila, dahil na-recruit nga siya dito sa CARE program na ito, ay nagulat na lamang siya. Sabi niya parang, bakit ganito to? Bakit parang ginagawa kaming troll dito sa I Care We Care na to? Bakit kami ginagawang troll dito? So ngayon, itong I Care We Care program na ito ay supposedly, yung mga tao dito, parang mga professionals yung mga hinahire nito eh. Yung iba yung kumbaga parang meron ng mga job experience, ganyan-ganyan, mga ganyan. So, hindi mo talaga maintindihan sa una kung para saan siya. Kasi, ito yung press release nila. Okay? Ang sabi, nung certain Joseph Calderon Fabroa, the CARE program daw signifies a legislative effort focused on empowering communities and addressing their needs through a variety of programs and initiatives. So, ang weird, no? Ayan yung mga CARE, yan yung mga CARE participants. So, pupunta sila ng House of Representatives, magsa-seminar sila ng 2 days, pagkatapos, then they're going to take part of this CARE program. Hindi ko talaga, akala talaga ng mga nagpunta, siguro, kasi, every congressman, pipili siya ng parang 2 or 3, basta ilang tao na ipapadala niya dyan sa House of Representatives. All expense paid, yung plane ticket, accommodation, para dun sa seminar. Ayan, ilang batch yan, ganyan. Tapos magsa-seminar sila, tapos sila, ganyan-ganyan, mag-embot-embot sila ng anong mga gagawin natin, getting to know the House of Representatives, ano ba ang power ng Congress, ano yung mga projects niya, ganyan-ganyan. But, Sa 2 araw na seminar na to, isang araw dito, they talk about Inday Sara. And they talk about kung bakit siya ay bad na public official. Ito ang report sa akin ng mga taong nag-attend sa House of Representatives. So they are promoting, they are talking about the reasons why Inday Sara should be impeached. So ano ba itong pinasukan itong mga to? Empowering the kinemerot, ganyan-ganyan. Ang ganda pa ng pagkakadescribe ng mga participants, ano? Empowering communities and addressing their needs to variety programs and initiatives. So, ano yung program nung ano? Ano yung program na CARE? Tangina! Ito yung ano nila, no? Ito yung kanilang mga programa. So, wag niyo akong bullshitin na hindi totoo. Ayan, meron silang seminar. Ayan yung seminar nila. And attended by a lot of, from different people, from different part of the Philippines. At yan, dinadala ng congressman yan. Mag-a-assign siya ng specific na tao. Pagkatapos, ayan. Yun yung kanyang participant dito sa mga, sa mga event na to. Ayan. So, usually, tao ni congressman yan yung magpa-participate dyan. Oh, ayan. So, itong CARE program, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo ng I Care, We Care, 1st District of San Carlos City, Negros Occidental. So, siguro sa Negros Occidental, yung mga congressman dyan, ayan ang kanilang mga entry sa I Care, We Care program. O, diba? I have to show this, no, to prove that the I Care, We Care program is a legitimate program of the House of Representatives. And whatever it is that they write on paper, anything it is that they write on paper, it looks legit. Wala namang problema dyan. Later on, magkakaroon tayo ng problema kasi ano ba exactly yung trabaho nitong I Care, We Care program? Kagaya nito, ano tinitim building nyo dyan? Ano bang gagawin ninyo? So si Alangang Tingog, ayan, okay, meron din siya. Oh, Alagang Tingog, I Care, We Care, Tingog Cares. O, diba? Meron ring mga tao under the CARE program ang Tingog. O, so, ayan ang mga tao nila for the I Care, We Care. Okay? O, eto pa, shinare pa ni ate ang experience niya. Ayan. So, ang layunin daw ng I Care, We Care program to give care to the people, especially to those within our respective district. 1st District Oriental Mindoro constituents. Okay? So whatever that care is, I do not know yet. We do not know yet. Ayan. Okay? So another uploader, another participant sa seminar. Ayan, thank you so much people who made to this program a successful one. It's been an amazing journey. 2-day training. Sabi ko sa inyo, 2-day training. At yun nga, isang araw dyan sa training daw na iyan is about social media engagement. It is about social media engagement. So, tuturuan sila kung paano mag-engage sa social media. So, ngayon, bakit ang mga member ng I Care, We Care? Ito na yung mga question ko, no? Ang first ko na question, kung kayo po ay talagang you care, bakit kasama sa activity nyo to? Ano po ito? Ba't kayo meron pa ganito? So, gusto kong malaman, doon sa mga nag-participate doon sa I Care, We Care program, bakit kayo meron pa ganito? Groundbreaking, tapos receive, task number 255. Task number 254. So apparently, after talking to a lot of people na nagpa-participate dito sa I Care, We Care program, it looks like that the I Care, We Care program is a troll farm of the House of Representatives. So I do not know if these are the people who, same people na nag-participate dun sa mga seminar nila or hindi, ganyan-ganyan. But it looks like they have an app, a web-based app wherein they were given links and they are expected to engage on those links and said good things about these projects. So I would like to ask the chairperson of public information, Lordan Suwan, Congressman Lordan Suwan, what do you think about this? Isn't this deceptive way of shaping the opinion of the people? What is this? Task number 255, open. So what is this? Nakakatawa dahil dun sa kanilang template, they were given script. Bibigyan sila ng link. Pagkatapos, ganito ang i-comment ninyo, ha? I think because whatever that they are doing is under the pain of being spread out. Kakalat at kakalat to eh. Ang ginawa nila example dito, Davao City. Naku, tigil-tigilan nyo ako. Uunahan ko na yung mga nagpuslit nitong screenshot na ito or whoever na nakarating sa akin na parang, ito ang proof na Davao City may troll farm. Ganyan. Tigil-tigilan nyo ako, no? Uunahan ko na kayo. I am going going to show this because I think they have also thought about na kapag kumalat to kasi maganda ang example Davao City. But this is the instruction. Bibigyan ng link, pagkabigay ng link, mark as done, posibleng positive narrative na pwedeng gamitin sa comment mo. Salamat for PH. Ganang-ganang Embo. Napakalaking tulong nito sa mga pamilyang Pilipino. Salamat sa administrasyon ni PBBM. Mas ligtas at maayos na tirahan para sa kinembot-kinembot. And like I said, this is a web-based app, hrepcare.com. Is this activity of the House of Representatives is a trolling activity that tries to manipulate the opinion of the people on certain government initiatives. And I also would like to ask, why did the House of Representatives mark the manual, yung handbook ninyo ng CARE program as confidential? If what you are doing is to serve the community and empower the kinembot-kinembot, why is it that your manual is marked as confidential? Because, whatever it is written in your confidential na manual, those are legit. Everyone should know about it nga eh. Kasi you are talking about the powers of the House of Representatives, the legislative process, and chenes, ganyan. You're also teaching your CARE participant how to spot fake news, ganyan. So I do not understand. Why does it have to be confidential? Why are you doing something so secret like this one? If this is a noble endeavor, bakit kailangan secret? Akala ko ba galit kayo sa confidential funds? Kasi secret yun. And wala kayong confidential fund. Why are you doing this in secret? Bakit naka-secret yung manual ninyo? Magkano ginagastos ninyo para sa CARE program? Because based on the people that I talked to, they are being paid 15,000 monthly. And in June of 2025, there were 6,000 participants of the CARE program. That's 90 million. I was advised that as we speak right now, ngayong August, 7,000 na raw yan ang participant niyan. So are they taking salary of 15,000 every month for the 7,000? Salary pa lang po yung pinag-uusapan natin dito. Wala pa po yung bayad dun sa mga trainer, wala pa po bayad dun sa mga coordinator, sa mga naggagawa ng design ng CARE program. So I would like to ask, are you maintaining a troll farm in the House of Representatives? And I would like to ask, is this in accordance with what the government wanted to promote, a transparent, healthy public conversation? Why are you trying to shape the public opinion by running this kind of communication strategy? Because clearly, yung pagbibigay ng mga positive remark na ganyan, that's not, possible positive. Mahalagang paalala, gumawa ng unique comment sa bawat post. Iwasan ng copy-paste para mas engaging. Congressman Lordan Suwan, I would like to know if this is the stand of the government to brainwash the public when it comes to government initiative. Akala ko po ba ayaw natin ng fake news? Akala po ba natin ayaw natin ng inauthentic na engagement? So what is this all about? Baka pwede niyo po kaming paliwanagan because I don't think you are using your personal money in running this. So ano po? Yung pong ating mga kongresista dyan na concern sa katotohanan, concern sa authentic public discourse. What can you say about this? How are you building communities and empowering people by lying to them? Default yung pagbibigay ng positive remarks eh. Default yung pagbibigay ng positive remarks. So ano yan? Nakakaloka. So baka pwede nyo po kaming paliwanagan dyan sa I Care, We Care na yan. Ako sa totoo lang binasa ko yung handbook eh. Wala nang masama dun sa handbook. Nataka ko, bakit confidential to? If this is the communication strategy of ganito yung nila, ganito yung parang way nila to perpetuate yung trabaho ng House of Representatives, meron kang public information officer, these are communications officer. Diba? Wala namang problema yun. Pero alam mo kung saan tayo nagkaroon ng problema? Meron pa kayong app eh. Meron pa kayong mga link. Meron pa kayong mga script na positive remark. At wag mag-cut and paste para mas engaging. Ano yan? Doon tayo nagkakaroon ng problema. Bakit ganon? So you are trying to brainwash the people using false praises na tama ang ginagawa ng gobyerno. Sabi ni Ma'am Rose, this is too much. We can't blame those who join such program kuno because they too need livelihood. But bullshit, these people in power are too much na po. Hope the Senate will look into this. Yeah, I think so. So I would like to get the attention of Congressman Lordan Suwan. This is an institutionalized program within the House of Representatives. Bakit kailangan secret?